Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video I'm going to show you what is the difference between open face pocket watch and hunter pocket watch. So this one is the open face one. So there is no cover on top. You are able to check the time. Just all you need to do is to take it out, this pocket watch from your pocket, and you're gonna be able straight away to check the time. This is the open face one. Going back to the box. This one is a hunter pocket watch. How you see, it looks same both ways. The difference is that there is a cover. So to check the time, you have to press the button. See? When you press the button, the cover open, and now you're able to check the time. Otherwise, there is no way to check the time. So this is the difference between hunter pocket watch, which is this one, and open face pocket watch, which is this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think that you've seen something interesting in this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much and bye-bye.